think kaya nila to ni-launch because it has really changed our lives. Siyempre, ang tanong ng marami, magkano ba to?
Returning to charging base.
Ganun siya ka-smart.
Wow! I missed you!
I missed you too.
Parang matagal tayo yung nagkita, mga 3 weeks.
Yeah, 3 weeks.
Parang sa atin, ang tagal na nun.
Oo. Meron text tayo, nag-chikahan tayo.
Yeah, I know, right? Okay, let's not talk about it here. Okay, so ulit. Okay, naglilinis ka ba sa bahay?
Sometimes, pag mga 3 days na walang work, ganyan.
Sir?
Oo, naglilinis ako. Pero hindi buong bahay, mga certain areas lang.
Okay.
Pero hindi dust. Organizing.
Okay, you know na sa bawat sulok may UV care.
Oo.
Okay, and
Before the pandemic pa, meron ka na.
yeah. Okay, dali, eto, this one is their newest.
Yeah.
Okay? So now, itong vacuum na to, last night, okay, we're practicing because they wanted to, kasi diba, it's different when you're doing it na walang kamerang nakatutok sa'yo. And it's different when there's a camera. Okay? So, this has triple navigation. Okay? Meaning, yung system camera niya, meron siyang visual na simultaneous localization and mapping.
31.
Para may GPS sa loob ng bahay mo, di ba? So, okay. First of all, okay, ikaw, you don't follow this eh.
What?
You don't fully charge.
I do.
No, you don't.
Ikaw lang turo sa akin, first use dapat 12 hours.
Pero this one, the Smart Robot UV vacuum, kailangan first 3 uses, 12 hours maximum ang charge. After that, 4 hours na.
Between 4 to 5 hours.
4 to 5.
Depende na lang yan. Meron siyang yellow na bumper sticker. Oh,
Ito yung mop na cartridge.
ganda.
Oo.
Ay, tapos may ano.
Pwede ka maglagay ng cleaning solution, pwedeng water lang.
Okay, and then, there are 3 powerful na suction options. Pwedeng silent,
May normal,
may normal, may strong. Okay? And this one can be used on all different types of floors. Okay? On hardwood, ang
Ay.
hardwood is like Nara.
Yeah. Pwedeng
Okay.
laminate.
Oo. And
Pwedeng
then,
marble.
let's do this. Go, where's the remote?
Here. Let's
Oo.
start, ha?
Start cleaning.
Sino kasalita siya?
Parang ganda ng
Super
boses.
smart.
Hindi niya na.
Ay, nakita niya yung isang dust doon.
Ayun na.
Ayun na.
Ay, bumunggo.
Yes,
Tingnan niya.
anti-kulit. Hindi yan. Alam niya kung mabubunggo siya. Alam niya.
Doon sa 911, kasi may episode ako nakitang ganito na nagwala yung ano kasi. Kaya titignan ko lang.
Alam niya,
Oh, saya. Oh.
Kasi may anti-collision siya.
Bakit sa lahat ng,
Avoid
lahat ng
obstacles.
K-drama may ganito parate?
Pero mas maganda to.
Oo. Ito na. Oh. Siyempre, ang tanong ng marami, magkano ba to?
Lahat ng kaya niyang kunin. Hard, simple
Yeah.
bus.
24,500. Oh. Oh. Saya.
Ay, nakaka-relax to.
Na-relax
Oh.
ka?
Kasi parang, yun, gusto mo na, kita mo na siya dito.
Oo. Ubusin mo, go. Para mapakita lang natin na marami talaga siyang nakukuha. Wow!
It's galing.
Yeah. Ayun na. One last.
Talagang kinakain
Ayun,
niya,
oh.
Kaya niya.
Ganda, no?
Super smart siya. Ayan na, tapos na.
Wala.
Tapos ipapause mo lang siya.
Start cleaning.
Okay. Press RB.
Oh, perfect.
Lalayo ako. Oh. Ayan na siya.
Oh my God, ayan siya. Ayan siya. Oh, punong-puno.
Tapos mapupulot niya yung mga dust.
Tapos pwede natin i-try na yung isa.
Oo.
Ito na nga yung mop. This one, you can put tap water.
At tama na.
Yan.
Papunta from here to there. Please.
Logic start.
Yan, alam niya, mopping star.
Ay, cute!
Oh, wait,
Ay,
wag dyan.
Ay, huwag dyan. Dito ka. Kinakausap natin.
Oh, tapos na.
Oh, babalik. Oh.
Oh.
Ay, ang saya. Yeah, there. Tapos, makikita natin na luminis.
Oo.
Kasi, mag-gauge natin dun sa tubig.
Ay,
Oh,
ang
let's see.
galing.
Stop. Tingnan natin. I wanna see the water.
Ayan.
Ay!
So, ayan yung dirt niya.
Oh my God. Kung hindi kayo naglilinis dito.
Tinan mo, naku, malalaman mo talaga.
Eh, itong towel na to, paano pinapalitan to?
Kini-clean lang yan. Washable.
Walang extra. At least meron. Nice, ah. Okay. Yung additional features niya, anti-fall,
Anti-fall.
meaning,
Pag nasa stairs, alam niya na mauulog siya, hindi siya punta doon. Yes. Kasi ang dami yung camera.
sa mga edge, oo.
Basta pag na-bump siya, hindi niya itutuloy yun.
Hindi, or pag na-feel niya na nandun na siya sa alanganin, kumbaga sa bangin or whatever, no.
No.
And then,
Pag nag-low bat siya, babalik siya sa kanyang charging station mag-isa.
Returning to charging base.
taray!
Yes, ganun siya ka-smart.
Alam niya.
Yes, tulad niya like this one. Oh.
Oh.
Returning to charging base.
Oh.
Ah!
Ay, alam niya talaga kung saan yung charging base niya. Ay, ang galing. Tapos magka-charge siya. Ah.
Charging
Taray!
start.
Ay,
Wow! Okay, and then it's also Wi-Fi enabled.
you can download the app via Android, di ba? And iOS. Tapos you can control it from there.
May bago kaming natutunan eh. Tip lang to ah. Bumili ng Velcro. For that, yung control,
Ito.
yan, lalagyan ng Velcro dito. Tapos dyan ilalagay yung
Para hindi
control
nawawala.
para hindi nawawala. It's a tip lang for everybody. Yung ano, a hack. Okay, pero gusto ko, I actually enjoy remote controls.
Oo.
Wala lang, gusto ko siya. Cute kaya. Tapos, I think, kaya nila to ni-launch, it's because, really, work from home. It
Yeah.
has really changed our lives.
Oo.
And then, since they are working, you are now more conscious of keeping your house clean. And I'm sure there will be so many other videos na more informative pa than what we were able to do. Okay? So, all they have to do will remind everybody, if you want to use your phone
Yes.
and connect it to the Wi-Fi, the link for the instructions on how to connect the phone, so it'll be easier for you. It's there.
Yes.
You can just find it, teach yourself. I can't teach you. Maybe Arby will try to
I
teach
can.
you. Ano?
Pero madali lang siya.
Promise?
Yeah, download tas connect mo sila to each other.
Okay, so, ang maganda nga kasi is that it has a UVC lamp connected to it.
Kung saan magaling si UV care.
Yes, so yung cleaning at yung sterilizing nagaganap sabay.
Sabay.
So parang
While mopping and sweeping.
Yes, so I guess ang result nun is that nababawasan yung oras that you are spending cleaning.